On Saturday, 25th September 2021, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, who is also the MDC of Sora, Titos Khan, had formally inaugurated the new tourist spot at Waprut located at Lightlandop village of Sora. Titos Khan, while showing his concern towards preserving and protecting the environment, said that in such places, cleanliness should be a priority. This, he insisted, should be encouraged and also be borne in mind by local, national and international tourists who visit such locations. To support this cause, Khan handed over the work order to the Sardar for the general maintenance and upkeeping of Waprut and the entire tourist spot.
Wat pelong karmetor ya kibriu jongi sini bakin ya lapmiet katam plastik katam bilor bapiawan kai sini ngida priang sobhaya pi bapiwan kai sini bapiwan pengat eladi sini piwan sieng sistem andai to se sobha ngi don kam ke jingi toilang bat pi ba kata kalong balada piwan song bam song di lani piara bilor ne bilor dawai ne bilor so sobha wat numya berat seni ra abiang hakikali gijong pi late berat haga jaka ka badai ban berat ngaju tak bah ka mensim ka jonga habanga ya na selong sesora habanga poi hadem hangte hapo ngidem pep habanga poi halai so plia ngaju i baki long kemi kijongi ki ra la ka pla bat kita mi ki bilor kakta kemensim keconga. Namar balai baya gitu gibilor mdai gibri jungi gibabrat. Mdai gitraisnong gibabrat. Andai de gibri gibawan kai nasaba gibabrat itu gibilor. Kani kakta palat ya kajing slow keconga kum nomi kemat. Namar ba ka kihap mo bagibri jungi kinhap ban mi asurok ban le gitu kekam. Te nga kermen ba hagani gajakaru kanum ja kumta ngila ong ipi bangim khang ipi pila bani enjoy pila bani syat pila bani kemen pila bani le kanu kudu kam dan reku mangala ong kadon put iki baro ba pila dan le katum ka ban ri la ka jong ka burom ka ko